Okay, in this lesson I want to explain how to project spline on objects. First example, in this text I want to project this text to that sphere. For doing that, select the text and going to the point mode and right click or going to the spline, move and project. In its settings, you have to set the mode that which direction that you want to project your text on sphere. In a 3D, if you know the plane that you want to project, I want to project, for example, depend on view. The first mode is view. Change your view any direction that you want and hit apply. As you can see, text project on sphere. For better and more accurate projecting, for example, if you insert a text spline here, you have to make it editable. As you can see, we have a few points here. In the previous lesson, you learn how to subdivide it. Right click and subdivide it. For better projection, you have to subdivide it splines. Okay, if you want, for example, in this T, we need more point, going to the lasso selection and click and drag to select that and right click that T and subdivide it. For example, here I need more subdivisions, select that point in between them and subdivide it. Or anywhere that you want, for example. Okay, make your text or spline more subdivided like this. As you can see, we have a nice subdivision. Okay, you learn for first mode that is view in any direction that you want. As you can see, if in this direction the T is out of the sphere and you apply it, it looks like this. As you can see, your view is your text have to be in this area of the object. Don't miss up. Okay, include in the whole area of the object behind that. The first mode is view. The second mode is you can, if you want to apply directly, you can go into the, for example, front view, and as you can see, it's active now, and this is our view, and apply it. It's going directly in that direction because this view. Or if you know your plane, you can make it plane. For example, my plane is Y and X, and apply it. It doesn't matter which view you are. For example, you are here, we are in a plane XY, it's directly going. Okay. Another modes are X and Y axis. Those modes are for objects that want to project on surface of the cylindrical objects. For example, I insert the helix. Where are you? Change its plane. Going. Sometimes if your geometry is very close to each other, they snap to each other. So make sure that any geometry except that target is in the scene. Okay, we can scale it down. And I want to project this cylindrical helix to this cylinder. Make it editable. Its points are nice. Right click and project. Experiment any access to find a better access to project. Now, as you can see, it snapped to that sphere. Turn it off. So the x-axis is not good. Y-axis, no. And the z-axis, yes. Oh, it snapped to another geometry. Turn it off. The z-axis is nice, and as you can see, it snapped to the cylindrical object. Another example is this. For example, you want, I have an landscape here that I want to project this, for example, road or any spline that you can use in any other project on that landscape. Select that spline that I draw, and it's nice subdivided. And I know the axis I want to project in a Z and X axis from this direction. Right click, select, and go into the point mode, going project. I know the axis Z and X, and apply. And as you can see, it snapped to surface of the landscape. Okay, this is a projection spline, and this is very useful, and you learn all of these modes.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.